Good morning, friends. Let's look at Nifty levels for today, also the expiry day. So, yesterday I had mentioned that on gap up open, then Nifty will come to 24 to 35, and then from there it will determine what to do next. As it turned out, it didn't do anything much, it just went up for some time and then stayed in a range. It was a sideways day for sure, right? So today, again, if we see a huge gap up, then the probability that Nifty might reverse from 24,480 levels and take support at 24,344 or 24,308, which was yesterday's high. So this zone will be very important for Nifty going forward. It must hold this area for the uptrend to be intact. So my strategy would be, I would be hesitant to short the market unless I see a good weakness and a good negative candlestick pattern, because this is a significant resistance, 24,485, right? And in case it doesn't open gap up, then this zone, once it probably it will trade for till 12 o'clock, till 11 12 o'clock in this range, and then it might break out and give us 24,483, and the target above that is 24,600. Okay, so let's see where we get to. And on the downside, we have support again at 24,237, and below that at 24,127. So the gap ups is actually spoiling the day trading. It is very difficult unless you are selling options. So let's see where today it looks like a range expansion day. So maybe we get some good range to play, either this one or this one. So good luck with today's trading. Trade safe and trade only when there is an opportunity. That helps. Thank you very much. I'll see you with another video. Bye bye.